Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest, like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be, the state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens, lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah. West Coast.
Looks and khaki suits and ride is what we do. Flossing but have caution, we collide with other crews. Famous because we throw drams. Worldwide, let them recognize from Long Beach to Rosecrans. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam. It's West Side, so you know the road will bow down to no man. Say what you say, but give me that bomb beat from Dre. Let me serenade the streets of LA. From Oakland to Sacktown, the Bay Area and back down. Cali is where they put they mag down. Give me love.
That's right.
In the city, city of Compton, we keep it rockin'.
Yeah, now make it shake.
Shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, mama.
West Coast. In the house, yeah. Oaktown, Oakland definitely in the house. Frisco, yeah. Frisco.
Hey, you know LA up in this.
Pasadena, where you at? Yeah, Inglewood, always up to no good.
Even Hollywood trying to get a piece, baby.
Sacramento, where you at?
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D O double G. But I Somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money
Now
on my
back,
mind.
I got me some Sequoia gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shady. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that bitch please raise up off these NUTs cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze. Biatch, I'm just
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang to Tango Ray and a fat ass J of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tango Ray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the bar to cock. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the dough, and I'll be
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills. Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills. Biatch.
With my mind on my money and my money